Good day, everyone. I am Arnold Tabamo.
And I'm Hugo Nicholson.
So this is our miniature transformer.
A transformer is a device that transfers electrical energy between circuits through electromagnetic induction.
So creating this miniature, this one because I started by gathering the materials as a small iron core, copper wires, electrical tape, a bobbin, and connectors for the input and output. And I also needed tools like wire cutters and a soldering iron, multimeter to test the transformer. So this project taught on how transformer step up or step down voltages and how their components work together.
A transformer is an electrical device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is primarily used to change the voltage level in alternating current circuits, either stepping it up or stepping it down to meet the needs of various electrical systems.
So transformers, primarily an electrical engineering concept, are also relevant to mechanical engineering in several ways, especially when considering systems that involve both electrical and mechanical components. So that's all. Thank you.